In today's ever-evolving technological landscape, it is imperative that we equip our businesses with the knowledge and experience necessary to address the challenges of the future. The new Commonwealth Engineers Office will play a pivotal role in helping businesses in southwestern Indiana address the challenges of the 21st century, and I thank you for your unwavering commitment to growth. Looking forward to witnessing the continued progress and achievements of Commonwealth in the days ahead. Sincerely, Mike Braun, United States Senator, and I'll give this to my dear friend, Theresa.
I want to thank everybody for coming and supporting Commonwealth today. The City of Huntingburg has been a great client of ours for the last 30, 40 years. I also want to thank John Wetzel for coming to lead this office. He has a great reputation for being a great engineer.
During my time with Okra, his name came up. Every small community in southern Indiana mentioned John and how much help he was to their community. Now we have him in the city of Huntingburg, and we're happy to have you here.
Kind of a homecoming for me. I couldn't be happier. There's so many people here to thank. Thank you to Cindy Bowman for helping us find this spot. Brenda and Phil Helmrich, I can't say thank you enough. Every day you guys come up and, hey, is there anything you guys need? Commonwealth employees, a lot of people put a lot of time into this.
Back in '94, when the city moved out of this office, a lot of people in the community thought, what is ever going to happen to this building? I want to thank the Helmrichs and West Fink for keeping this facility open. Our senior night at the game the other night, I was told there were 6 seniors going to Purdue for engineering, and the comment was made, hey, maybe we'll have a place for them to come back to. We've not had that opportunity in the past for young people for jobs, but to be able to come back to our community. Thank you to everybody at Commonwealth for considering this location, and I consider them friends, partners, in everything we do. We're looking for a future together, obviously with the wastewater treatment plant, but other projects that we're engaged in too. Thank you.